So if we need to make some additional changes, let's go back to our first floor plan. And let's say we're going to move this out 8 feet. So what I'm going to do is just say move, MV is a shortcut for that. Pick anywhere, and I'm going to move it out 8 feet. It's going to tell me I want to delete some elements. That's fine. I'll just recreate it. So I'll pick this, type CS for create similar, pick that end, pull it straight down, and it should clean up. There we go. So now that I've done this, I need to go back to my roof plan. So I see a section that just doesn't look right. So what we need to do is pick our roof, and we can do edit edges, and inside here we can do edit footprint. So I did pull that piece out 8 feet, so I'm going to do the same thing for this piece as well. So I'm going to type MV for move, move it straight down 8 feet. Now those lines did stay together because they were connected. So if I'm happy with my changes, I'm going to say OK. And it's bringing up a little bit different view that I would not like to see. I'd like to see it look a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is do a couple changes. I'm going to turn this back into a hipped area. And I'm going to turn this piece into a double gable. So I'm going to select this and turn it to the minus. So now we have 2 gables there. And then if we're happy with everything, I'm going to say OK. If we take a look in 3D, we did in fact follow what we were going to do.